Hello guys, ito po magluluto pa ako ng aming pang breakfast na kanin. Nilagyan ko po ito ng paminta at laurel and cinnamon stick and yellow powder at haluin ko po itong aking sisaing na may yellow powder, may black pepper, and may turmeric at cinnamon stick, and saka meron pong asin, at ito po ay lalagyan ko naman po ulit ng star margarine para po siya ay lalo pang sumarap.